Fish.
Me too. Lemon was my favorite flavor. Flavor.
The restaurant has a good location because it is near the subway and the park.
Their green tea has a really nice flavor. Flavor.
One way to buy tuna fish is in a can. Another way is to buy it fresh.
Here's our location on the map. Our location map.
This food delivery app is asking for our location.
To give it more flavor. Flavor.
New jeans. Eddie and Junior are shopping at the store where Lily works.
Please don't make me try on clothes, Dad.
But you need new clothes. Just put on these jeans.
Fine.
Junior tries on the pair of jeans and shows Eddie.
I hate these jeans.
Why? Let's ask Lily what she thinks. They look great, right, Lily?
They're okay.
But I like my old pants.
Your old pants are too small. You're growing up so fast.
Well, maybe I don't want to grow up. I like being a kid.
He's right. Growing up is terrible. You have to get a job and work for people you don't like.
Lily's boss walks by and tells her that she needs to speak to her alone.
Lily, you haven't sold anything this month. If you don't sell something today, then I'll have to fire you.
Lily walks back to Junior and Eddie.
Did I say growing up is terrible? I was wrong. Growing up is great.
Why?
You'll be cool and you can hang out with cool people.
Can I hang out with you when I grow up?
Maybe.
Wow, I can't wait to grow.
So, does that mean you want the new jeans?
Yes, and I want that t-shirt too. And that jacket.
Of course. What's the total, Lily?
$150.
What? I don't want you to grow up, Junior. It's too expensive.